You sure you don't want to take the boat? I'm probably not going to catch anything. Wait a minute, this is going to get blown away, dude. Really? Come on! Jeez! What? Can't hear you because of this wind, but I can still cast. I always thumb the spool when I use a casting reel, but especially in this weather. Well, excuse me, especially with this wind. Oh, is that on camera?
Let's see, how many gallons did we burn? Oh, people never seen anybody put gas in the boat. I'm just trying to find out.
The funniest relative I have, right there.
Uh-huh. But that's going to be too rough over there. And this is all thick. We're going to drive around here. We're going to go into it. We're going to fish this and all this.
I can't believe how many seagulls. I didn't even realize I had one.
Looks like Pike. Big old Pike. Look at that. Huge one. Well, you get most of them in that.
Whoa, 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 no, slow down.
Nice one. Take us up a little shallow.
Okay.
Hang on.
So many seagulls. That's insane. Got one. Oh yeah. That's fighting hard.
Right.
I'm gonna try and keep the bait up so it doesn't get tangled. I'm gonna get another one. They're starting to come in. On. As soon as I ripped it through. No, no, no.
Keeper.
Oh, he broke a treble hook. Got him. On. Oh, net big time. Net big time. Oh yeah, done. Done and done. I don't think he's an answer.
Yeah.
Where did it break? Under the steering column?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like what kind of brake?
Well, there's a...
What did you say?
There's a what?
There's a tube at the end of the cable. It has a compression, a taper compression like a wire line does, like a Quest line or something like that. It has a little grommet that broke right off, so it doesn't have the big button next to it.
Pulls up right next to you, and I want to look at it. Okay. It's not moving anything? Well, this part's moving. You're going to go easy, and you're going to steer by grabbing the cable and the fuel lines, and just take it easy and go like that.
All right.
That's going to be your steering.
We'll get there.
Yeah. Keep it at this speed.
What's that?
You want it at this speed?
Yeah, right where you at.
We're on it.
So what happened to your guys' boat?
Well, there's two exhaust ports on that boat, and one is not functional, or not part of it necessary. And I blew there's a rubber cap on it, original equipment, and that after a boat that's hit in 1986, it finally blew that cap off the last time I used the boat.
Told you guys.
Don't get run over.
Okay, so a Youper. People from the Upper Peninsula. I had a guy ask me, he's like, "Are you from the Lower Peninsula?" Yeah, I am. Why? I was like, "Well, you guys are crazy." I said, "Why?" He said to me, "Cause everything is go, go, go. You guys do everything super fast. You guys work too much. You guys don't relax enough." And he said it's a different way of life. It's a different lifestyle, and it is. It's like... What? I caught someone else's line with a bobber and a fish on it?